Hello everyone, welcome to Mabalacat City College Cooking Show. Am I introduce myself? Chef Archie Santos, and this is my assistant chef, Reynald de la Cruz. And I want to introduce my special guest, Chef Vergara. This is our ingredients. The name of my recipe is Medjipros. This is the first ingredient, coconut, and this the
Second
ingredient is
assorted fruit.
chopped in cubes, and this the banana also chopped in cubes, and this the grapes.
We will also put some raisins for our.
How about this?
This is condensed.
Condensed milk.
And sweeten our recipe.
And this chef, what called this?
It's called the all-purpose grill to make our recipe more delicious.
So the first step to do is the coconut.
Coconut. So we just put the coconut on a big mixing bowl.
Yeah, right. And the second recipe, the
Assorted fruit.
chopped in cubes.
Yes, we will also put as the same as we will put as the coconut.
How about this, chef? The banana chopped in cubes also. How about this? The grapes. The raisins. Chef, can you please get some milk to
Condensed milk.
Yeah.
Let's pour this.
to become a sweet food healthy? Yeah. To make delicious and sweet.
Enough.
It's okay, chef. And then you add the cream. Yeah.
And we'll just mix it.
Yeah. When you add all the ingredients, you can mix all ingredients.
That looks delicious. Yeah. Your recipe looks good.
Yes. And also when you see the recipe so sweet, like the soup,
Yeah, that's like our chef. This too sweet.
may I try, chef? Okay, chef. This
This chef came
very
from
delicious. Okay. You mix until the ingredients mix proper.
also dancing chef, huh? Not only chef.
It's also a chick boy chef. You see the recipe, chef?
Yes, it looks delicious.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so we will just chill this for 5 minutes and we will be right back.
Don't go away.
Kaya continuous ka
May kanina.
Kali pa may post.
Mapo siya mo yan.
Kali ah. Makakaya ka niyan.
Mamang play ka yan.
Kaplay ka, sige. Pwede naman daw, putulan ka niyan. We'll be right back.
Ito, we'll be right back. Hindi kanya magpalit na kami.
Tangkay, magkain na kayo.
Ay, paano ko na.
Kaya tabi sa. Gusto ko post.